Take 3.
Go. Hey guys. So we are back with another episode of Disney Snacks. This is the 3rd one. It's been a while because of other things going on. But today we are making
school bread, Norwegian school bread.
One that we've been looking forward to making.
We tried this when we did our eating and drinking around the world challenge in Epcot, which you can see the video on Mitchell's and my channel. Yours is Epcot, and mine I think is labelled what I just said. But anyways, you can see the school bread that we tried there, and it was very nice.
It was. So we've been waiting to try it again. So we're going to try and make that today. The recipe
is from taste.com, or I think. I'll send the link to Mitchell and he can leave it in the description if you want to follow it along and give it a go yourself. But I'm not taking credit for the recipe because I don't know where to start with Norwegian school bread. So
for this recipe you need, and there should be an amazingly short video. Right, so the ingredients are sort of split into 2. You have the
ingredients for the dough
and then the ingredients for the filling.
Okay, so for the dough, 415 millilitres of milk, 60 grams of butter, a 7 gram sachet of instant yeast, 110 grams of caster sugar, 600 grams of plain flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1 egg, and then for the creme pat, 310 millilitres of milk, 3 egg yolks, 75 grams of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then for the topping part, 50 grams of icing sugar and desiccated coconut.
Okay.
Choo choo.
And let's get making. So this is the part of the vlog where we swap to vloggy mode because it's just easier to show everything and we're not focused. Hi. So.
How many times I want to say I'm shouting? Right. So to get started on the dough, we're going to put the milk, the larger amount of milk, and the butter into a pan, and we're just going to melt it. We don't want to really heat it up, just enough so, warm enough so the butter melts. If we heat it too much, we'll kill the yeast. Okay, so while that's warming up, we are going to take the caster sugar and the sachet yeast and sprinkle that on there. Once this is warm, we'll then combine, and we need to leave it for about 10 minutes until it goes frothy. Frothy. Frothy?
Frothy.
Frothy. Is it frothy?
Froth. Is it froth or
froth? Froth, yeah. Until it goes all bubbly.
Bubbles.
So
Bubbles.
Bubbles. So that's the first step.
So we'll get on with that and we'll catch up with you in a minute.
Put the kettle on whilst you're waiting. Not a bad idea. This ship can't sing.
Hi.
I'm a shouty man.
So we have waited 20 minutes.
Oh, I don't know.
We've waited some time and the yeasty thingamabob looks like this. It's a bit bubbly. And we are ready to start KitchenAiding.
Woohoo! This does all the hard work for us. My KitchenAid. I've had this, what year in? No,
2019.
I've had this 4 years. Right, so in here we've got the flour and the ground cardamom. The ground cardamom is key to this, otherwise you won't get that school bread uniqueness. It'll just be like a sweet dough. So anyway, that's going in here, and then we're going to add all of the liquids. So this frothy yeast mix. That's a now. Frothy yeast.
It kind of looks a bit gross as well. Like curdled egg or something. I don't know.
Yeah. So this is going to go in here. Delicious. And we're also going to add the egg because this is an enriched dough. So it's not just like your normal bread. It's got some nice sweetness to it. Then we're going to go on with a dough hook. Where's my thingy? And as we say, the KitchenAid is going to do all the hard work.
7 years later. So, this is now what the dough looks like. Is this the bit you don't like?
Filming?
Yeah. Oh. Is this the bit where you get mucky fingers?
Right, yes. Because it's a very slack dough. So, I'm going to put it into an oiled bowl. We're going to leave it to rise for an hour. Don't be concerned at the fact that it's quite sticky at the minute.
Oh.
So we're going to leave that to rise for an hour.
Welcome back.
After that ad break.
That's what I was thinking. We're going to commercial. So we are going to start making the creme pat or creme patissiere. So for this bit, even though I said earlier, you need milk, sugar, caster sugar, 3 egg yolks and corn flour.
And vanilla.
And vanilla.
Don't forget the vanilla. So basically, we're gonna heat the milk up. We want it quite warm for this one. And then we're gonna bung all of these 3 into here and some vanilla. Mix, 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 mix. Then we're gonna pour the milk on, mix, mix, back to the saucepan, and then whisk it until it thickens. We want this one to be quite thick because we will be piping it into the cream buns. So this is a thick custard basically. It's pastry cream, so it's gonna taste like custard but be thick.
Yeah. Anyway, we're just
Lovely anecdote there.
Yeah. It probably won't make the cut. Get the shot.
This will make a beautiful tasting thing, even though it doesn't look beautiful at the moment.
Smells nice though.
Well, the vanilla pod, the vanilla seeds look beautiful. I love vanilla.
I don't think the camera's picking that up.
No.
It does smell very nice.
Very nice.
Spillage on oil counter.
Spillage on aisle 4. Right, so then we'll pour this back in, making sure everything is and then whisk this. Start to see my head.
And then we wait for that to cool.
Yeah, and then that's ready to use.
So we'll wait for that to cool and then that will be ready. We've got to wait for the dough to rise or whatever it does, rest. And then hopefully it's baking time. Baking, oh no it's not, it's moulding and then resting and then baking.
It's a long process.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm a shouting man.
Right, so an hour later and the dough is
The
ready.
grand reveal. So now it's called knocking it back. I made, when I was first at catering college, I had a day off and my dad had a day off as well. It must have been half term. And he was like, you're going to show me how to make bread? And we got to the knocking back stage and I said, you just got to punch it now to take the air out. And he was like, what, punch it? And he literally like...
belted it.
Boom! Not that hard. So you can punch it, but I just prefer to just prod it down. Then you'll see the air go out. Because now we get to shape this. So Mitchell is going to partake in this. You're not going to be just a cameraman now.
Not a cameraman anymore. Now it's much later and we have shaped and let the dough rise again.
But we're going to be honest here. We have other things going on today and these could do with rising for 10 more minutes, but
YOLO.
yeah.
So we're going to put these in the oven. They go in the oven for 20 minutes, is it?
Yes.
20 minutes baking and
Then
decorating. Here they go. See you on the other side.
Oh, that's so hot.
Bye. So this is what they look like.
I love you. Oh, that looks so good.
And it's time to try one, so I was going to cut one open.
As Paul Hollywood would say. Yeah, that crust. Can't do a Scouse accent.
Oh my god.
Nice. I want a bit of coconut and cream.
What are you thinking?
So they're very nice.
And it's still slightly warm, so it's even better.
I just think it needs a touch more cardamom in it.
I was thinking more icing. Right, so yeah, that concludes the video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time with
on Disney Bye.
Disney Bye. Bye.
Bye.